Welcome to Auto Reviews. Today we're bringing you an in-depth look at the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660, one of the most exciting motorcycles in the middleweight naked segment. The Aprilia Tuono 660 is a high-performance sport naked bike that blends the DNA of a superbike with the practicality of an everyday machine. It takes its name from the Italian word Tuono, which means thunder, perfectly fitting for a bike that delivers electrifying performance with a bold and aggressive stance. This motorcycle was first introduced by the Italian brand Aprilia in 2021 as part of their strategy to bring race-inspired technology to a wider audience. Aprilia, known for its rich heritage in MotoGP and world-class engineering, developed the Tuono 660 as a more accessible version of its fully fared sibling, the RS 660. By 2025, the model has evolved with refinements in electronics, comfort, and design to meet the demands of modern riders. Aprilia is headquartered in Noailles, Italy, and the Tuono 660 is most popular in European countries like Italy, France, Germany, and the UK. It's also seeing rising demand in the United States and Asian markets such as Japan and Thailand. Riders in these countries appreciate its mix of performance and everyday usability. It's especially favored by riders who want something lighter and more manageable than a liter-class bike but still crave sporty thrills. The 2025 Tuono 660 is powered by a 659 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that produces close to 100 horsepower. This engine delivers smooth and linear power, offering thrilling acceleration and a top end that keeps enthusiasts engaged. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame that improves handling, agility, and stability. Its performance is further enhanced with advanced rider aids like traction control, cornering ABS, multiple riding modes, engine braking control, and a bidirectional quick shifter, all standard in this model year. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Tuono 660 performs well for a middleweight sport bike. Riders can expect around 20 to 22 km per liter depending on riding style and conditions. While it's not the primary focus of the bike, the efficiency makes it a practical choice for weekend rides and occasional commutes. This machine excels in both capability and convenience. It's versatile enough for city riding, spirited canyon carving, and even track days. Key features include a full-color TFT display, LED lighting, an aerodynamic front cowl, and improved ergonomics with a more comfortable seat and handlebar position for longer rides. The adjustable suspension ensures a customizable riding experience for different conditions and rider preferences. As for the price, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 comes in at around $11,500 US, though this may vary by country due to taxes and import fees. In markets like Thailand, the price may be slightly higher, but the value it offers in terms of performance and technology justifies the cost. The biggest selling point of this motorcycle is its ability to deliver superbike-like excitement in a compact, user-friendly package. That's all for today from Auto Reviews. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more two-wheeled content.